In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a scene in Descript. Whether you're editing a podcast, a video, or any kind of audiovisual content, knowing how to effectively manage scenes can make your project run more smoothly. Sometimes you might find that you have a scene that just doesn't fit, or maybe there's a mistake that slipped through. Whatever the reason, deleting a scene is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the flow and cohesion of your project. First, let's navigate to your video project in Descript. Here, your workspace is divided into different panels, with one dedicated to script content. Within this panel, you will see various scene thumbnails. These are essentially visual markers or boundaries that break down your video into digestible segments. Each thumbnail represents the start of a scene, making it an essential tool for organizing your content. Now, locate the scene thumbnail that marks the start of the scene you'd like to remove. Take a careful look at the thumbnails available and make sure you're selecting the right one. Accidentally deleting the wrong scene could disrupt your project, so a little extra attention here can go a long way. Once you've found the correct thumbnail, give it a right-click. You'll see a context menu pop up with a list of options. Among these options, look for Delete Boundary. Selecting this option removes the boundary at the start of the scene you're targeting. What happens next is quite interesting and useful for maintaining the consistency of your video. Instead of just erasing the scene and leaving a gap, Descript cleverly merges the content of the scene you're removing with the one preceding it. This seamless integration helps in preserving the flow of your project, as it avoids any awkward interruptions or unnecessary voids. It's worth noting that Descript is designed to make your editing experience intuitive and efficient. By merging the scenes, you're not only maintaining fluidity, but also reducing the need for additional editing later on. As a tip, after you've deleted a boundary and merged scenes, it's a good idea to play back the newly combined scene. Listen and watch to ensure that your content still matches your narrative vision and that the transition feels natural. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to delete a scene in Descript that ensures your project not only runs smoothly, but looks and sounds great too. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, mastering these small techniques will greatly enhance your editing toolkit. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Descript and happy editing.